Case number 2, Thisday-Nigerian newspaper. You are shocked. Many of us here may be too young to know that Thisday newspaper from Nigeria was once a player in the South African newspaper industry. By year 2000, Thisday was a dominant Nigerian newspaper. In October 2003, Thisday-South Africa was launched in South Africa with a lot of fanfare as a formidable competitor in the newspaper industry. That was before the now ubiquitous presence of social and digital media. It positioned itself as a quality newspaper targeting the middle to upper socio-economic demographic in South Africa. Thisday-South Africa was very well resourced. It actually acquired 71 CNA stores to complement its distribution channel. CNA stores are books and stationery stores that are very similar to WH Smith. Those of us who know the UK very well. CNA stores are WH Smith of South Africa. It acquired 71 of them, and those were on familiar distribution channel to Thisday from Nigeria, because those kind of channel had a different economics, different from the one it was used to at home. The newspaper market in 2003 in South Africa was also very crowded. There were 18 daily newspapers and 30 weekly newspapers. And the business model of newspaper business in terms of building revenues in Nigeria and South Africa was also different. In Nigeria, the newspaper revenue model is that you leverage your goodwill among political and business elites to build strong advertising, huge events, sponsorship revenue. You see all the papers in Nigeria, they do awards. They make a lot of money in those kind of awards. But South Africa is sophisticated for those kind of revenue model. In South Africa, the newspaper business model revenue is strictly based on advertising revenue. Essentially, the business model of Thisday Nigeria and Thisday South Africa in terms of South Africa were chalk and cheese. It's different from each other. So Thisday South Africa struggled with advertising revenue and eventually shut down 1 year after in October 2004. What are the lessons from Nigeria's Thisday foray to South Africa in terms of navigating the global marketplace? Lesson 4, navigate the global marketplace. If you must go abroad, ask yourself whether there's truly a market gap where you want to go. Being successful at home does not necessarily mean you'll be successful abroad. Lesson 5, even if there's a market gap, will your business model fit the overseas market you want to go? Is your business model exportable? Even if there's a market gap in your elected market abroad, is your business the type that can exploit the market gap? Lesson number 6, objective and dispassionate analysis, not emotions or ego, should drive your business decision in the choice of market if you must go abroad. This is very relevant to a whole lot of Nigerian fintechs who have raised capital, and some of them are going to Brazil, Asia, and so on.